Good morning guys, and in front of me is OPPO K10x, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone gallery. Now go to contacts, choose the one that you want to personalize, mark edit, click on add picture, and now select the album from which you want to select the photo. You can open your camera and grab a photo straight away. You can choose something from your own gallery, from Google Photos, or from illustrations, however you prefer. Let me pick something from my gallery, customize it however you like, tap on choose, and mark save. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.